where did the sort of green credentials side of things come in, the carbon footprint? Is that something that you've always had an interest in, or is it something that developed as a result of, working with the clients you've been working with? What's that?
Yeah, so always had an interest. So geography was part of my degree. So I did a computing with a geography degree. So naturally, the sustainability side of things ties in within that. I was a whiz at Google Maps, as you can imagine, in the early to mid 2000s when I was doing my degree. And the sustainability piece, there was a report that came out commissioned by the BBC back in 2018, 2019, looking at the impact, the carbon impact, the carbon emissions impact of the internet. And it actually highlighted the fact that more carbon emissions are produced by the internet industry than the aviation industry. And so that made me think about, what can I possibly do? Because like it or loathe it, companies, individuals, we're going to need to start taking our own personal carbon footprint and our own business carbon footprint a lot more seriously if we are to achieve some of the government targets that they've set for 2030, 2040, 2050, and so on. And so I was then looking at, well, what can we do? How can we have our little input on helping customers, first of all, identify what their footprint is on the internet, but crucially how we could reduce it. So it all stemmed from that individual report there.